how to play chess with your friends on Duolingo. Duolingo isn't just for language anymore. Now you can play chess with your friends, and here's how. So, first, go ahead and start by adding the chess course to your Duolingo dashboard. It teaches the rules and strategies step by step. So, Duolingo gamifies chess like a game. Earn XP as you learn moves, openings, and tactics. So, once you have established your Duolingo account, what you can do is to go ahead and open chess.com into your browser and then go ahead and sign up for an account or sign in with your Duolingo account. Now, with your Duolingo account, connected with your chess.com account, you'd be able to find the friends that you have on Duolingo on chess.com. Now, from here, you can go ahead and compete with your friends from Duolingo on chess.com. Since to be able to compete with friends, you need to use chess.com, since the feature to play chess with friends on Duolingo is still on a rollout. That is how you can basically play chess with your friends on Duolingo.